Hey everybody, I'm doing a how-to video for Goosechase and doing discovery hunts in Goosechase. I'm assuming everybody's got to sign in. If you don't, contact me. Oh, it's Megan, by the way. And once you get signed in, you can go to your games. And here is where we select a new game. So we will walk through just a basic. I'll make up something as we go. So if you're going to do a brand new game, which you guys probably won't do, you would upload an image here for the game. You name the game, and we always use Discovery Hunt in the name. We would describe the game, and then we'd hit Save and Continue at the bottom. So let's go into the game that we're going to be working on with the Random Acts of Kindness Youth Challenge, and I will show you what we've done already. This is the image that Shirley has chosen, and she gave the name Random Acts of Kindness Youth Challenge, and we need a description for the game, and if you guys would help us with that, we'd love that. We do have the option to add a password, but we want everybody to be able to find the game and use the game, so that isn't necessary. We'll hit save and continue. And here is our list of missions thus far. Before we get into that, let's talk about branding for my discovery destination. And I apologize, I'm remembering how to do this as we go. So we always want to make sure we have our branding. So on the left side, you'll select branding. I will give you access to this logo. I'll send the URL for it via text. Great. So now we're going to go into missions. To add a mission to this list, we're just going to click Add Mission to List. It will name the mission. We'll assign a point value. If it's something simple, just use the basic ones. Just kind of go with your guts on this. If it's something really involved, we'll assign it a higher point value. You can attach an image if you want, and be sure to give it a really good description. Now let's talk about scheduling the missions, because one of the best things about Goosechase is that you can get them all in here and schedule them to go out, so you don't have to go back and release them on your own. I can't even think of the word. Manually, that's the word I wanted. You can release them manually, but scheduling is going to be awesome because you can just sit down and do it all at one time. So we're going to go back to, we'll go down to the mission. You know what? I'm going to cancel this new mission, and we'll edit the first one, the Random Acts of Kindness intro. So you want to scroll down to see advanced settings. We want to make sure that it's clicked on hidden until the time comes to then you're going to click Add Automation and Create New. This is where you schedule it. When it happens, you can do exact time. And this one, unless Shirley says different, is going to start Monday the 15th. And we will start it at 8 a.m. And then we will hit Create. I guess this is required. Let's call this Kickoff. And we'll set the mission status to available. Awesome. So we're going to hit Create. And we've automatically created it and scheduled it. Thanks for listening. I was learning along with you as we were going. If you have any questions, let me know. And if I need to make any changes, I will.